Hi everybody, hope everybody's doing okay. It's still in lockdown, so today we're going to show you our new demonstrator. We mentioned this in one of the last videos, said we've got it, so it's back with us on site now. So we'll give you a tour of it today, show you what extras and things it's got as well. So we'll be having this with us for the next 3 months, and then obviously then we usually change them then as long as we've got another one coming through at the same time as well. So as you can see behind me, it's a two-tone version. So we've got the candy white and the copper bronze. We've got the bigger wheels. So we've got the Palmerstons, the 18-inch alloy wheels. Electric side door. We've gone for the wooden floor option that's in here. So while we've got one with a wooden floor in here, I thought I'd just talk to you a little bit about it, because I've had a few people ask me questions and things like that regarding it as well. Obviously this particular floor is a wood effect floor, because you can see here it's got wood effect this on it, but it has actually got, it is made up of a wood material. If you can just see in there, that's the wood. And people have asked me before about, hard wearing, is it hard wearing, not hard wearing? My personal feeling is this wouldn't be as hard wearing as the standard floor, because obviously that's quite a hardened plastic. I would imagine that will probably take knocks and bashes probably a little bit more. Certainly if you've got things like pets and stuff like that, probably the other floor might be better in that sense, it's there as well. But the wooden floor does look nice. Obviously it's a chargeable option that's on here, but it does add a bit to the vehicle. I think it's a nice combination with the kitchen cabinets as well. We've gone for two other options on this particular vehicle. We'll come round to the back, I can show you those. One is the comfort mattress, which you pretty much put on every vehicle that I get an order in there. And then the other one is the shower unit. So as you can see, that's where the shower plugs into. Looked at that before. And obviously the actual shower bit itself is located in there as well. Obviously with it being the Ocean model, there's lots and lots of equipment which is standard. Some of those things, like for example your lighting that's in here, so you can turn your lights on and off on the rear section that's here, and obviously you've got all that upstairs as well. And we'll take you around the rest of the vehicle now. Let you have a look around the front of the vehicle and the dash. We'll point out as well, because I've mentioned a few times, this is the new Volkswagen steering wheel with the new logo on there. We're going to do a separate video on that, which is probably going to come after this video, and we'll talk a bit more about that then. So I'll put the roof up now and then we'll give you a quick walk round. you've enjoyed today's video. Have a look at our new demonstration model. Hopefully we'll be back open soon, and hopefully the dealerships will be as well, and obviously then you can come in and have a look at these in person, have a drive, etc. So as well, fingers crossed that won't be too much longer. I hope you'd enjoyed today's video. As I said, if you have, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.